Hey, it's Tim, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk. I'm in the new 2023 heavy duty. It's the Rebel. It's the off-road version. It's the Power Wagon Light, basically. We're here at the 2022 Truck Rodeo as part of the Texas Auto Rodeo Association. I get a chance to drive this. There's a video for that, but I want to show you in this video the improvements they've done to the mirrors, because we talked last week with Mike Koval. He said they fought for these mirrors for a long period of time, and they finally got the mirrors the way they wanted them. Now you're thinking, why does this guy fight for his own company to get mirrors? There's a lot going on in these companies, and it takes a while to get things through engineering and get things approved, and that's the case in this. So this is all heavy-duty Ram trucks, not just the Rebel, but I want to show you what's going on here, because it's been a point of contention among Ram fans. And so we have trailer tow mirrors on this truck, and I'm going to take my camera here and have a cameraman Phil outside. We're going to show this feature. So over here, it's going to be right here. You have some lights, and so I'm going to turn this light off, turn it on, and you can kind of see there in the camera that light on or off. Then we have one in the front, which we were trying to show you how it worked, and this barn we have, but it doesn't quite work. It's still kind of bright. So there's it on, there's it off. The other thing we have is you can extend the power telescoping, and so I can press that button, and I can press this here, and you'll see them extend out, and you'll see them come all the way back. So you can do a couple things there. And then this is another setting. It's for the camera down below setting there. You can turn that on, you can see what's around you, and you also turn it on here when you're driving. You turn on the turn signal, it'll light up over here a camera and show you what's on the left hand side for blind spot monitoring. So that's what that does. And then on this mirror we can see we have the heated mirrors. We have the little triangle in the corner. Now that is the blind spot monitor. Oh, excuse me, that's not what the camera is. That's Phil's filming it. Hold on, Phil, go back there. So that moves the convex side of the mirror. No, I got it totally wrong. Oh, I got to press like this. There, that moves the that moves the convex side of the mirror. I was thinking camera, I don't know why, but anyways, that moves that convex side of that mirror. So you can just press the button for that as well. And then they fold in too. There we are. Folding mirrors. So yeah, so you got a lot of cool functionality of those mirrors now that was needed. Like I said, the triangle in the corner is going to be a blind spot monitor, and they have heated mirrors on the convex side and the bigger mirror as well. And so you can heat them, you can put them in for like tight drive-throughs, you can put the lights on, you can telescope them in and out, and they're just a really big addition to this current lineup of 2023, excuse me, Ram heavy duties. Will have all these mirrors, and it's really a handy feature. If you're towing a lot, you know how important tow mirrors are, and having these extra features on a tow mirror are pretty darn cool. So there you go. There's the details on those mirrors. Check out the videos over here. We have a ton coming on this Ram heavy duty Rebel. Also, check out the website, pickuptrucktalk.com. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you down the road.